What's up, good people? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm on Brutus here. I've got a gift for him. I've been wanting to give him a booty cover for some time now, and I think today's the day. And of course, by booty cover I mean, you know, one of those tonneaux, whatever. Look, I think it's French for lid, or it might be Canadian for cap. Either way, you know, one of those cover thingies. Wait, it says heavy right on the box, and I guess I didn't believe him. Get it. I figure this would be the best place to do it, right? Now there's also this one, which is not quite as heavy. So this is the Retrax MX from Real Truck. There's the rails for the Retrax. And if you live in California, there's your Prop 65 warning, cancer and reproductive harm. Exactly how you get the cancer from a tonneau cover escapes me, but you know, there it is. Okay, bless you, California. Anyway, let's open these up and see what we got. Okie dokie smoky. Let's see. Well, I figured if I just cut that right there, it would slide off. Is that not the case? Oh yeah, I was right. All right. Okay. Is there anything else in there? Oh, it looks like some stuff. Holy crap. Yep. It's some stuff. Clamps. Rails. Look at this. I can use this to wrap up some dishes next time I move, which hopefully will be never, so maybe I don't need it. It would be good dish wrapping stuff. That's the problem I have, is I try to find some reason to keep everything, which is why I have so much crap around here. Anyway, let's get this opened up. Come on out here. Lift flap. Open here. Okay. It's like magic. Let's see. Oh yeah, I didn't tell you I got the electric one. Bzzz, you know, bzzz, or wing, I don't know, like a transformer or something. Seems like it's maybe all one thing. Maybe I better cut it. Let's cut it. Oh no, there's a piece. There's this piece, which I'm guessing is like the header or something. I don't know. There's some stuff. I'm just trying to figure out how I get this out of the box. It's kind of heavy. Welcome to Barney Fife Does an Unboxing. Over here. Let's get over there. Oh. Okay. Roll on out of there. Oh, there we go. Look at that. It's like a big giant motor thingy. Or, you know, roller doohickey. Careful, careful. Okay. Okay, yay. Let's see. I need the Boss You Around booklet. Oh, Okay, they don't give you an actual booklet, which is fine. We just gotta scan this doohickey and pull it up, you know, online, which is good. Less, you know, paper. We're thinking about the environment here, people. When you scan that QR code, it brings you to Retrax website, and then to find the installation guide, you just put in your part number or the thing that you got or whatever, and it'll bring it right up. We have everything we need right here, so I'll be able to go through this step by step and you know, get our lid on. First thing you got to do is take the packaging material, and this is a tube here. Unwind that joker. Take this screw out. We get the screw out, and then we got to do this both sides, and then pull this out a little bit and get the plastic thingies off. All right, we got to get this on here with the thingies in there, in the you know what I'm trying to say. Put the wheels in the thing. Okay. I got a couple of screws I got to run in there. All right, I got to do one of these on the other side, and then I think we set it up in there. We got our rails on. I got to get this header cover on. I think it just slides up underneath of this joker. Look at that. Fits like a glove. If the glove fits, you must have quit. Now, if you had the manual one, this would be a little bit different. You'd have to lift up the lock sides and whatever, pull it out a little bit and all that. But there's none of that with the Electro model. Okay, now we got to get it. This is you need like a second hand for this, okay? Because what we got to do now is lift this assembly, put it up on the bed, and then get it, you know, all situated. So James is going to help me by supporting the rails on the back. Let me see if I can get up in here and get this done. Okay, we're going to heave-ho this joker. Oh, we go. Here we go. Awesome sauce. Now this weather stripping back here, we got to make sure it sits on top of this. Okay. Back. There we go. There we go. Okay, we're up in there. Pretty easy so far. But before we go and clamp it down, I got to do a little bit of wiring, you know, because I got the Electro model. And they say, you know, have two people or whatever. Which is a good idea because, you know, lifting it up on there. But truth be told, I probably could have manhandled it up there. Just don't know what I would have tore up. Anyway, we got to get under the hood here. Now I got to run this wire harness from the battery here down underneath and back to the bed to power the motor. There's a red and a brown. The red wire has got a fuse holder on it, which we're not going to put the fuse in right now. But that's what goes to the positive. So I'm just going to add this right here. And then the brown one, of course, goes to the negative. That was probably, you know, self-explanatory, but what the heck. Now we'll run this all the way back to the bed and get it loomed up, you know. I just got to figure out, like, where's the best place to do that. Let me see what I got down here. Well, I think I see some daylight down there. I want to stay away from the exhaust, you know, and any other thing that might move or whatever, you know, because that would be bad. I'm going to take this coat hanger and run it up, and this looks like a good spot. You know, sometimes you just got to get intimate with your shiznit. You know, just get right in there, okay? Just get your face and everything right in there. That looks like a good spot. All right, now just hold it right there. I can just, we'll just set that right there. I'm gonna go up top and tape it up. Where's my dang coat hanger at? I know I saw it come up here. Where are you? Oh, there it is. What the hell are you doing way up here, Mr. Coat Hanger? It took some doing, okay, but I got it where I wanted it. I'm just gonna put some tape on it here, pull it through. I got it, I got it. Okay, James, you know, just feed the wire. Yay. I think I can take this off now. Get that. Coat hangers. Awesome for hanging up your velour jackets and running wires through your Sierra 2500. I got that pulled through, and there's already a wiring harness that runs all the way to the back there. And so I'm just gonna run along with it, you know what I'm saying? Till we get to the bed. Okay, the instructions, you know what? My bed is dirty. Look, man, I use it, okay? Anyhow, the instructions say to run the wire up through your drain holes. Okay, well these are I got a drain hole this size on each side of the truck. And you also got to put these drain tubes in there. Well, as you can see, my drain hole is tiny. And the drain tube won't even fit through there. Plus, I'm not sure I like the idea of the wires running through there. So what I'm going to do is drill a hole in the bulkhead, you know, here, to run the wire through. And I'm just going to seal it up with this grommet doohickey thingy. You know, I'm going a little off course here, I guess, but the thing is, it's my truck, and if I want to drill holes in it, well, dang it, I can. Now I got my uni bit. That was my pilot hole. I got my uni bit. Where'd my grommet get to? There. And I just got to go to 9/16. Okay, we're going to go to that hole right there. So I'm just going to put tape around it so I know when to stop. You know. Time for a hole. And it took a little doing. I'll show you in a minute, but I got it through the bulkhead with the grommet and you know, plugged in, so that should be pretty good. Now I forgot, or I skipped a step because I didn't see it was separate. This stiffener right here goes here, so I've got to take those screws out and add this piece with the longer screws. So I'm gonna do that right quick, and then I think we can get to leveling and clamping this thing down. Okay, let me get that done. Okay, we got to I better get my ladder. We got to use these plastic doohickeys to make sure that we're 1/8 of an inch away from the tailgate. And just move this back and forth however you need to till you get that spacing. Okay, I think that's good. We take these clamps and put them on here, and then one of them right in between. Uh-oh, there's quite a bit of gap on this side, so I'm gonna try to shift it over a little bit, open the clamp up wide as I can get it, so that I can get it where it needs to go. There we go. Okay, now that'll stay there. I'm gonna get the other side. Okay, we'll get it all centered up here shortly because we got to take some measurements and make sure that we're good. And we'll take some measurements across here and get it square, you know. Then we need to be within a 1/16 of all three measurements here. So this is 58 3/4. And when you take your measurements, you can make your adjustments with these two plastic pin thingies right here. You just loosen the clamp and move them in and out, and then tighten the clamp back up. I got my power wire plugged in. This is where I told you I put it through the bulkhead with a grommet. And then your drain pipes that they give you, they just snap into the bottom here and run into your drain holes. That's so you can, you get the water out. Well, I think we're all set. Let me go throw a fuse in it and give it a shot. It's a 10 amp job. Put the fuse in and put our little protective fancy cap on. Boom. Comes with this fob thingy here. So if you hold this, the light will come on. Oh, and it did. And then it goes out by itself in like 3 to 5 seconds or something. Anyway, O is for open and C is for close. So let's see what we get. You have to hold it down the whole time. Well, look at that. Would you look at that? Just look at it. Well, the light's still on. Maybe it was 3 to 5 minutes. I don't really know. But either way, it's fine. It goes out by itself. The instructions did say that for a little bit, you have to pull the cover to you till the seals seat and everything. Plus, you know, I guess it's got to get synchronized with the gear thing. But now that I got the tailgate up, I'm going to open it up and close it again. Open sesame! Sweet! Close sesame. Wait, is that a thing? Did you say close sesame? Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You can do it. Nice. Ooh, that's exciting. Like, I'm really happy with that. Sweetness. Well, there you go. There's the Retrax Retrax electric tonneau cover thingy. Listen, I want to thank Retrax for sponsoring this video and sponsoring Brutus. Retrac.com is where you can go. I've been going to them for a long time, even before, you know, this deal here. Anything you want, literally almost anything you want for your truck, your Jeep, your Bronco, Retrac.com. Thanks again to Retrax for sponsoring this. And hey man, if you're looking for something like this, you can't go wrong with this one. Aluminum slats, motor, seals. Now I'm not looking for waterproof, okay? I don't think there is such a thing as a waterproof tonneau cover. But as long as it keeps what I got in the bed mostly dry and more importantly secure, then I'm tickled. Matter of fact, I'm gonna check that out before we go. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you got something out of it. If you did, please like, share, subscribe. Consider becoming a channel member. We appreciate that. And we'll see you real soon. Remember, Retrac.com. Get off the couch and go wrench on something. Yep, safe and secure. Oh, I love it. I didn't really think about closing the part.